Step 1. Connect board 2 and board 1 with screw A, and insert the long wooden dowel E into the board 1. Note: insert the screw through the large hole, screwed in vertically to avoid damaging the board. The wooden dowel passes through the hole and sits centered in the hole. Step 2. Install board 4 with screw A. Step 3. Install top board 3 with screw A. Note: the holes are located on the left and right. Insert wooden dowels. Step 4. Install side legs. Connect board 5 and 6 with screw A. Step 5. Attach side leg, aligning board groove with dowel. Step 6. Attach stickers D on the top and anti-skid pads C to the bottom. Attach phone holder, pen holder, plastic clear drawer.